Matt, if I get this thing ready, put it on ground cursor and put it on the
cursor controls. Yeah, you've got your cursor on your HDD.
Yep.
Yep. So now it's moving around.
All right.
Handle.
Roger. Fire.
Conflict.
Here, just keep me on.
Conflict.
Yeah.
Conflict.
You're good.
Conflict.
Our role in the Eagle Lion is to work with the Joint and the coalition forces, as well as, I believe there's 18 or 19 other countries besides Jordan on a multinational exercise. Each one of us plays a certain part in the exercise. So we're with the C-130 Hercules right here that you see. So we do tactical airlift, insertion of troops, materials, equipment. If they need to get the equipment, the men and equipment in there fast, and they need to get there undetected, this is really the only machine that allows that to happen in my eyes. So this will be the most real-world scenario that we've seen up to this point. So that's what I'm looking forward to. You know, actually getting in there during the times that it's needed, and not just having mock-up things, but actually having the other aircraft up in the air as well as the assets on the ground. So seeing it all come together once again, it'll be great to see that for both of those missions.